Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming code and picking a method. Tie into the stack or use an air admittance valve. This choice shapes every step. Once done, clear undersink cabinet, remove trap and measure trap arm distance to nearest vent. Make your first cuts. Open a small access in the wall where the new vent will run, then test fit a dry run of pipe and fittings. This prevents surprises and shows why each measurement matters for slope and drain performance. Now you execute the main run. Route the vent vertically through the wall or to the attic, avoiding long horizontal sections that trap moisture. Make connections with a sanitary tee when tying into a stack. Solvent weld or thread joints per material. PVC needs primer than cement. Once connected, secure pipe every 4 feet and use gentle offsets like 45 degrees fittings rather than sharp bends. These choices prevent siphoning and blockages. Complete the job by reinstalling the P-trap in ceiling wall or roof penetrations with appropriate flashing and sealant. This stops pests and moisture. Then test. Run several gallons of water and flush other fixtures to verify venting under load. Watch for leaks and listen for gurgling. If you hear gurgles or see slow drainage, first check slope and obstructions, then clean the trap. If problems persist, consider replacing the run or installing an approved air admittance valve. Codes and proper sizing matter.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.